Welcome to your weather forecast at the start of a new work week, where we can expect some early morning thundershowers over the southwestern part of the Free State, as well as some rain along parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast. Monday morning also starts off with fog along the west coast, as well as some drizzle along the eastern escarpment of Mpumalanga. We're expecting a band of isolated to scattered thundershowers to extend from the northwest through the Free State and Gauteng and all the way through to the east coast, with a partly cloudy and dry day over the far northeastern part of the country and a sunny and warm forecast over the western parts. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see that chance of drizzle along the eastern escarpment with scattered showers and thundershowers over parts of the Free State and the northwest, but isolated as we head towards Gauteng and the east coast. On our maximum temperature map, you'll see a high of around 20 degrees for Gauteng, 21 for Polokwane and Bloemfontein, with a relatively warm day along South Africa's coastline, 24 for Cape Town and Port Elizabeth, East London and Durban at 25, with Pietermaritzburg, Bishu and Springbok all expecting a daytime high of 23 degrees. Now, as we head out to the west coast, you'll see good beach conditions with light to moderate winds in the forecast, and we're expecting more of a northwesterly wind in the morning for Alexander Bay, but then a northerly component to the wind as we head towards Langebaan, with a 1 meter west-southwesterly swell and wave heights between 1 and 2 feet. In the southwest, we're expecting good beach conditions with a dry forecast and a light to moderate northwesterly wind. We're expecting a relatively small swell here of 1.5 meters from the southwest, with wave heights between 2 and 3 feet. A light northerly offshore flow is expected for Mussel Bay and Plettenberg Bay. Good beach conditions all the way through to Jeffreys Bay, but with a fresh northeasterly wind forecast for Port Elizabeth, resulting in moderate beach conditions. And along the south coast, we'll see a 2 meter easterly swell with wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. Along the east coast, we're expecting rain, so poor beach conditions there, with a northeasterly component to the wind, particularly in the afternoon, with moderate to fresh winds for KwaZulu-Natal and strong winds for the Wild Coast and East London. And here we're also expecting a 2 meter easterly swell with a wave period of 7 seconds, with wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Monday.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com